Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve Excel module 1 and the module project 1. I will do each task step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. If you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, I will do your assignment and I will do your complete course at very reasonable price with 100% accuracy. I will do all Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment and Access assignment at very reasonable price. For more information, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number and email address. My WhatsApp number and email address is given in the description and also showing at the bottom of the screen. Now let's solve this assignment step by step. Our first step is starting from here. Begin on the project worksheet by increasing the font size of the range A2 to A3 to 12. So copy this range, go to the Excel, switch to the project worksheet and then go to the paste it here and increase the size to 12. So our second step is enter the value shown in table 1 into the corresponding cell in the range B8 to C11. So copy this and go to the Excel worksheet and B8 and paste it here. Second value in B9, paste it here. Copy this and paste it in B10 and this copy this and paste it here and select C value and paste it into here. Second value and third value. Third and fourth are same, so do not need to copy this again. So paste it again in C11. So we have completed our two step, and step number 3 is adjust the width of column B using auto fit. So we need to adjust the column width of column B. Select column B and go to the format and select auto fit column width. So we have completed our 3 step here. Our step number 4 is in cell E6 enter the following, select the range E6 to E11 and then use the flash fill button in the editing group on the home tab to automatically enter codes in the remaining file, and you must use the flash fill button. So copy this text, copy this and paste it into E6 here. Press enter and again select column E6 and here double click on it, this black plus sign, double click on it this like this and go to the autofill option, select this and select flash fill like this. So we have completed our 3 step here, and step number 5 is hide column C. So we need to the hide column C. Right click on it and hide, choose hide. And our step number 6 is switch to the scheduling worksheet in cell A3, change the cell content to week of February 2022 to 2021 instead of week of February 15 to 2021. So copy this bold text, copy this and go to the scheduling worksheet, Excel and scheduling worksheet and paste it here in A3 like this and press enter. So we have completed our 6th step here. And step number 7 is cut the content and formatting of range and paste them into the range A13 to B16. So we need to cut the range from D15 to E18 and then paste them into the range A13 to B16. Cut this and paste them into the range A13 to B16. A13 to B16. Go to the web sheet and paste here. So we have completed our 7th step here. And step number 8 is in cell B13, create a formula using the count function to determine the number of projects that have booked facility over by counting the values in the range C6 to C11. So we need to create a count formula in B13. Yes, B13 here, and is equal to count, double click on it, and now we need to select the range. Our range is C6 to C11, C6 to C11, and close the bracket and press enter. So we have got it our value. And step number 9 is adjust the zoom level of the scheduling worksheet to 120%. So in the bottom here 100%, click on plus sign and click on again plus sign. 2 times click on plus sign. So we have got it 120% zoom value. So our 9th step completed, and our 10th step is change the page orientation of the scheduling worksheet to portrait. Scheduling worksheet. This is the scheduling worksheet, and go to the page layout and orientation and select portrait. First landscape, so we need to now select portrait. So we have completed our 10th step here. For remaining step, you need to contact me at my WhatsApp number and email address. My WhatsApp number and email address is given in the description. I will provide you the complete solution of this assignment with 100% accuracy. Or for full course deal, contact me at my WhatsApp number. In full course deal, we do each and everything like SAM training, SAM textbook project, SAM project, SAM exam, class test at given time, midterm exam and final term exam at very reasonable price with 100% accuracy. If you want to get good marks and 100% marks in the solution, contact me at my WhatsApp number. I will provide you the complete solution with 100% accuracy and full support. Thank you for watching this complete video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more informative video. Like the video. Thanks for watching this complete video.